Hey guys, I'm Matt, welcome to Vet Ranch. This little puppy, come here, just came to us and we don't know much about it. Someone found her on the street and they tried to take her to animal control, and animal control said that they were full and they would have to euthanize her if they dropped her off. So they brought her to me and we're gonna see what's going on with her. She's missing some teeth, so she's probably a middle-aged dog, and her back end is just covered in mats and poop and stale urine. I mean, she smells terrible. She's a pretty happy little dog and she's eating and drinking for us, so I'm gonna give her a bath and kind of figure out if there's anything going on with her. She may have just been kind of neglected. So we're gonna get her cleaned up and we'll see if we can figure it out. All right, I gave her a bath and she is still nasty. Her hair's all matted to where I really couldn't get much of this stuff out of her hair, so I'm gonna have to just shave her down. She does have a tattoo from where she was spayed, so she was taken care of at one time. She's been spayed and she still smells terrible, but you can kind of see her vulva down there is all red and irritated, and I think it's because she's just been peeing in this hair and it's just holding it all in here. These are just like dreadlocks basically, they're just all matted. But I think it's been holding urine down there and just kind of scalding her skin, so we already have her on antibiotics and I'm going to give her some anti-inflammatories. I'm going to shave all this hair off that's causing all this problems. I mean, these are just knots, they're not coming out with just a bath. So I'm going to give her a trim and get her fixed up. Just finished the shave. I'm not a great groomer. You can see how swollen that vulva is though. All urine scalded all around there. We're going to give her another bath, kind of clean her up a little bit. After the grooming and the bath, here is what we took off. So I'm sure she appreciates not having to carry around this. I mean, you can see how matted everything was. It all came off in huge pieces. So she's going to feel a lot better not having to carry around all that nasty stuff, and that should let her back end kind of dry off and hopefully kind of get a little less inflamed. We gave her a big shot that'll help with that as well, and gonna put some cream on there too. So hopefully in a couple days she'll be back to normal and feeling good. She's still a pretty perky thing, running around and acting like she feels pretty good even with all that stuff going on in the back.
What'd you name her?
Since this dog was found on the streets and we don't know what her name was, we gave her a name. We named her Virginia. So this little Virginia, and we'll watch her over the next couple days and see how she does. Alright, it's a day after we cleaned her up and she's feeling a lot better. She's still pretty dirty back there. Her hair's just all stained from where all that urine was sitting for so long. But she's feeling a lot better, obviously. Pretty perky, ready to go home. Good girl, good girl. Come on, let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. And still swollen back there, but it looks a lot better than it did yesterday. And that skin will continue to heal up over the next few days. And she should be a happy, healthy puppy. She is going to go tomorrow to a rescue who's going to get her a home. They're really good at finding these little guys homes. So she's got a bright future ahead of her. And wanted to say it kind of stinks that these kind of cases get euthanized often. You know, dogs like her who are this perky and happy just because they don't have a home and no one wants them, or the animal control can't take them because they're full, they get put to sleep. So do what you can to support your local organizations who are trying to fix this, if it's money or donating your time or whatever, because little dogs like this, it'll really make a big difference when all she needed was a little time. Basically, we shaved her and cleaned her, and that skin back there, it would have healed on its own without the antibiotics and the anti-inflammatories. We just kind of helped it along, but she really just needed to be cleaned up. So anyway, thanks for watching Vet Ranch, and appreciate you being here, and we'll see you next time.
Sometimes when you're feeling young and you're feeling tough and you're all caught up, but you don't walk right and you don't talk right, and there ain't nothing wrong with feeling strong, babe. I know what you're going through. I know, 'cause I've been there too. I don't walk right